Hey guys, it's Stars LPS here, and I'm back with a YouTube video that I haven't made in a long time with LPS. So, yeah. So, welcome to LPS Cooking. Enjoy. So, in this bag we have all our cooking supplies. So, with this. There we go. That's all our supplies. So, we have the cookbook. We have the cookbook, the camera to take videos and pictures, and our little mixing thing, my phone, that's not what we're going to use to cook, another mixing thing, and a water bottle. And also, I'm here with my cousin.
Hey guys.
This is my cousin, and she is going to be cooking with me today. So, you're going to be cooking with me, right?
Yes.
So, now we just need to put our ingredients on the table. Of course, how we're going to cook without putting it at the table, that makes no sense. Oh, I forgot to get a chair for you, cousin. Coming back. Stop the video! Okay, I'll stop it. Unpause it. I already did, miss. Thank you. We got her a big beanie bag chair. Look, this is your beanie bag chair, your yellow beanie bag chair. Do you like your new beanie bag chair?
Yes, so much.
Good. And now we're gonna go get the ingredients to cook the soup, I guess. Oh, you fell off. Now, we're gonna pour in the water first.